Hey now, Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'm here with Foxy the Fearless. I'm joined now with Tinley the Terrific. Where are we going? School! I'm gonna push the button first.
Yep.
You rascal. Okay, Fearless. Tinley's at school. Let's go do the 11-hour shift, shall we? Oh, Foxy the Fearless and I are home now. And it was a very uneventful day, other than for one thing. Let me show you. I was given a gift today. Here it is. It's a real working little miniature anvil and vise. I believe this is probably for jewelry making, would be my guess. But I'm super happy to have it. Super cool little thing. Don't know if I'll ever use it for anything. Maybe. You just never know. No, time to relax. Long day. Have a great day.